to Mr. Ashok Thussu, Executive Director of Guru Training Private Limited. Mr. Thussu, if you would kindly share.
Yeah, thank you. Fundamentally, it's a very difficult time, and as has been said by Mr. Anil Bhardwaj also, there are added costs coming like sanitizing everything. We've heard Samir saying that sometimes what the government thinks and we expect to do is wishful thinking. Amit has shared about the execution challenges. So there are some things that we can do by ourselves and some things where we need help. So there are 4 key things that any enterprise can work upon. Before I share this, these are just instances and examples of what could be done. It will vary, the possibility and opportunity will vary for each person. So there are traditionally 4 things. One is eliminate some things, one is defer certain things, one is reduce either the frequency or cost of things, and one is to find substitutes. And most important is you have to renegotiate a lot of things. So next slide please. Eliminate example is you need to do a cost value analysis and figure out what are the things you can get rid of. Sometimes process changes. Sometimes you can combine events to reduce costs. And remember, the money coming in is short. And deferment is advertising. So you evaluate what you need. And you can certainly defer salary increases. You can defer memberships or things like that. Next, please. You can reduce frequency and costs. You have to ask for discounts. You have to seriously look at your inventory and plan it in a careful manner, because if you do not do that, it will add into the capital requirements. Please renegotiate whatever you can do, and whatever utilities you are using, that is a prime area where you can reduce the costs. Next, please. So when I say substitute, you can move a lot of things physical to online, some internal services to outsource services which are cheaper. These are again areas where you could reduce costs, fixed costs. And these are must-dos. Renegotiate the rents, the insurance, repayments of your loans and fees. Just click once, please. Just, yeah. So a stimulus is needed. We should not confuse relief and stimulus. Whatever has happened so far, if they say, okay, you don't file your return, no penalty, that is a kind of relief. Okay, no NPA declaration, that's a relief. The stimulus is still not there. The stimulus is needed. The loan, how it pans out, we do not know. Maybe the government should have a moratorium on interest, as was said earlier. Maybe they could write off some loans based on some criteria. And there in insurance also, they can take on some of the insurance loan. And the loan areas, this is where the stimulus is needed, which will help us reduce the fixed cost. Thank you so much.
Pleasure.